Understanding Snowstorm Warning, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and important topic that's especially relevant during the winter months. Snowstorm warning. Whether you're planning a trip to a snowy destination or living in a place where snow is a part of life, understanding this phrase is crucial. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning behind it, why it's important, and how you can respond to one. A snowstorm warning is an alert issued by weather services to inform the public about the expected occurrence of a significant snowstorm within a specific area and time frame. This warning is not just about light snowfall. It's about severe weather conditions that involve heavy snowfall, which can lead to reduced visibility, extremely cold temperatures, and potentially dangerous travel conditions. When a snowstorm warning is issued, it means that the snowstorm is not just possible, it's imminent. Understanding a snowstorm warning is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's a matter of safety. Heavy snowfall can create hazardous conditions, from slippery roads to the risk of being stranded. Secondly, it's about preparedness. Knowing that a snowstorm is on the way gives you time to prepare, whether that means stocking up on essentials, changing travel plans, or ensuring that you have a safe place to stay. Lastly, it's an issue of responsibility. Being aware of the warning allows you to take necessary precautions to protect not only yourself but also those around you, including your family and community. When a snowstorm warning is issued, there are several steps you should take to ensure your safety and the safety of others. 1. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest weather updates. This can mean watching the news, checking a weather app, or listening to a weather radio. 2. Prepare your home. Ensure your home is ready for the storm. This might involve insulating windows, checking heating systems, and securing outdoor objects that could be damaged. 3. Stock up on essentials. Have enough food, water, medications, and other essentials for at least a few days. 4. Plan for emergencies. Have an emergency kit ready. Know where to go if you lose power or heat. And ensure you have a way to communicate with others. 5. Avoid travel. If possible, stay off the roads to avoid dangerous conditions and allow snow removal services to do their work more effectively. We hope this video has helped you understand what a snowstorm warning is, why it's important, and how you should respond to it. Remember, being prepared and informed can make all the difference in ensuring your safety and the safety of those around you during a snowstorm. Stay warm, stay safe, and thank you for watching.